Flashfill is a feature that came to Excel in 2013, and it's an algorithm that can look at adjoining columns and the column that you're filling in, and it can pick out different patterns from those columns and make your life a lot easier. So by way of example, here we've got a spreadsheet. I've got car registration numbers here in column A. And in the middle of that car registration number, each one has got a county code. Some of those county codes are 2 letters long. Some of them are just 1 letter long. And so what we want to do is we want to just pick out that county code. Now, before Flashfill came, we would have to have a kind of complicated set of different functions put into a formula to actually parse apart that car registration and pick out the actual car or county code in the middle. But with Flashfill, we don't need to do that anymore. We can just put in a Flashfill. So getting Flashfill, I can click on the data tab and put the cursor in the cell where I want to start. And I put in, first of all, what the pattern is that I want to start working with. So I can see here, just from looking at this car registration, that the county code there is RN. I'm going to type in RN. That will just give enough of an indication to the Flashfill tool that that's the pattern that I want to follow. And then I should be able to just move back to that cell, click on Flashfill. It will pick out the pattern based on what I've written already, and it will follow that pattern down throughout the column for all of those different county codes. And you can see it doesn't matter whether it's a 2-character county code or a 1-character county code. It also doesn't matter whether some of the actual data is inconsistent. So you can see some of these car registration numbers, they've got spaces within them and so on. It is still going to be consistent all the way down through all of the different counties. And that's how to do a Flashfill.